Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today, we're taking you along on an eye-opening journey through South Africa with our two trusty canine companions by our side, Flower and TingTong. But this road trip isn't your typical travelogue. It's a quest to explore a piece of history that has always left us with questions and curiosity, the infamous Battle of Blood River. As we hit the open road, the sun casts a warm glow on the horizon, and our spirits are high. Our first stop, a rustic breakfast on a pile of logs by the roadside. There's nothing quite like the simple joy of sipping coffee and savouring a homemade meal amidst nature's embrace. Back on the road, our eyes catch a sign that triggers a deep conversation. Blood River. For us, it's more than just a name on a map. It's a symbol of a painful past and a complex history. The Battle of Blood River was a pivotal event during the time of apartheid, and the day of the vow always left us questioning the implications of a vow made to a higher power, with intrigue guiding our way. We decide to make an impromptu detour. We're going to explore the very place where this historic battle unfolded to understand it from a different perspective. As we approach, we're struck by the vastness of the landscape, the quietude of the river, and the echoes of the past, where history meets the present, and where we hope to find a deeper understanding of the events that transpired here. We invite you to share in our exploration, our conversations, and our reflections. This is not just a road trip. It's an exploration of the human experience, a chance to confront history's shadows, and an opportunity to seek answers to questions that have lingered in our hearts for far too long. So buckle up, sip some coffee, and let's hit the road together. The path to understanding begins now.
What we've done here is we've put, like what happened on Blood River is for us is all the miracles that happened here. It goes on, you have this mass of the Zulus that attacked, and then you have the small hand of the trackers that's on this side. This side they're talking, nobody are sure how many Zulus there was that attacked. They're talking about between 20 and 25,000 Zulus. And then the 464 men of the trackers that was there. And that is a big miracle if you check it. The trackers that, with the battle that you can say win the battle at the end of the day by only having the wagon as shield. Yeah, to keep them safe. The gun wasn't very powerful. Gun was maybe 50 meters. That it was powerful. After 50 meters, it feels like a pellet. Somebody shoots you with a pellet or something. But like I said, Blood River is for all the miracles. The hand of God that was over the grounds, that was basically for what we stand in.
Standing amidst solemn grounds of the Blood River battle site, I couldn't help but reflect on the profound ways in which our lives can be manipulated by those in power and the beliefs imposed upon us, often intertwined with religion. The history of this place, marked by a clash between the Voortrekkers and the Zulu people, serves as a stark reminder of how politics, power, and religious fervor can intertwine to shape the course of events. The Voortrekkers made a vow to their god, seeking divine intervention in their battle against the Zulus. They believed that their faith would secure them victory, and this belief had a profound influence on their actions. It's a chilling testament to the lengths to which people in positions of authority can go to manipulate the masses. In the name of religion, they can convince individuals to undertake actions that might otherwise be unthinkable. This isn't unique to the Battle of Blood River. Throughout history, we've seen countless examples of leaders exploiting religious beliefs to further their agendas. As I walked through the site, I couldn't help but wonder how many lives were affected and ultimately lost due to the manipulation of faith and the pursuit of power. The scars of such events run deep, and they continue to shape the collective consciousness of societies long after the battles have ended. This reflection underscores the importance of critical thinking, individual agency, and the need to question the narratives imposed upon us. It's a reminder that we should never blindly follow leaders who exploit our beliefs for their gain. We must constantly examine the intersection of politics, religion, and power, and be vigilant against manipulation that can lead to division and conflict. In a world where information flows freely, it's crucial that we seek to understand the complexities of our history and the motives behind the narratives we're presented with. By doing so, we can strive for a more informed and compassionate society that doesn't repeat the mistakes of the past.